As an Ansys partner since 1984, we are highly committed to helping you design, simulate, and succeed.
This video will show you how to install the Ansys License Manager. All I did was grab the installation file for the License Manager from the Ansys Customer Portal, and I will go ahead and extract these files. Open up the folder. Right-click the Setup executable and run as administrator. Click the button that says Install Ansys License Manager. Warning letting you know that if you proceed with this installation, it will restart the License Manager. That is fine. Go ahead and agree to the license agreement. Default directory will be fine. Click Next a few times and the installation will proceed. The License Manager installation is now complete. We will click Next. And exit.
Contact us today to discuss your unique physics challenges and find the right Ansys tools for you.